up, good people? It's Camille, aka GlamCam, and I'm bringing you guys a video about how I prep my natural for textured hair for protective styles. Okay, so stay tuned. You don't want to miss this tea. Okay, so I am about to get faux locks today. My friend is doing them, and it is for my Miami trip for my birthday on March 8th. And I am super excited. But I'm going to go ahead and detangle, wash, shampoo, do my rice water, deep condition, and then I'm going to prep my hair for extensive moisturization throughout the weeks that I will be wearing this protective style. So if you want to make sure that your hair stays moisturized for weeks on end, you want to make sure that you prep your hair efficiently before you put your hair in a style. There's no way you can fully moisturize your hair through the style. You can try to keep it maintained and, you know, keep your scalp fresh and all that stuff, but your hair is usually just wrapped up in other hair, and it's really hard to get to those strands while they're in a protective style. So obviously the most critical work is right before you put your hair in that style. That's why I'm making this video. I'm just going to show you guys what I'm dealing with. I moisturized my hair last night, so it's looking, you know, it's looking all right. I really don't want to like do too much to my hair, but wash day is wash day. So this is what my hair is looking like. I'm going to go ahead and start detangling my hair to prep it for wash day. And you know what I do. Apple cider vinegar. Okay, check out my 7 essential products that transform my 4B textured hair, and you will know how to keep your hair like this the day of wash day. The day of wash day. So I'm just going to show you guys one section on how I detangle. I actually have a video on how to detangle very matted and dry hair. Please check that video out. So I'm just going to give you guys a synopsis of how I detangle my hair because I've done it in plenty of videos. So I definitely start by spraying my hair with my apple cider vinegar water mix, and then I follow that up with a little bit of my DIY oil, and then I follow that up with my co-wash or conditioner to lubricate my hair and, you know, cause some slip. I would definitely want to use a conditioner with slip, and then I follow up with more apple cider vinegar juice just to loosen up the product, and then I go ahead and detangle with my easy detangler brush. Now my old video is a little bit outdated because I don't detangle with an easy detangler brush. I actually just use a regular dim-in brush. So if you don't have an easy detangler brush, you'll be able to relate to that video. However, if you do have one, I suggest you use it. That brush is the bomb, and this is my hair detangled from nappy curly hair before. Well, not nappy, but it was a little bit tangled. And then I'm just going to move on to the next section. So I'm just going to speed this up and then get to the next step. Okay, I have fully pre-pooed my hair with the co-wash, the apple cider vinegar, and the oil, and I have mostly detangled. I feel like I'll do a little bit more detangling under running water because I feel like since I have my hair out, my roots got really nappy, so I'm gonna need to detangle that. I'm gonna go in the shower, so let's go. So I'm going to be using this Lush Cosmetics Fair Traded Honey Shampoo, and this is my second time using this shampoo. I actually really liked it. It's been sitting in my drawer for a minute. I never touched it, but as you can see, it has a really nice thick honey consistency. I think this product is made mostly of honey. I think that's one of like the second ingredient, and honey is really good for my hair and hair in general. So I really like this product. As you can see, it lathered up really, really good. And so I made sure that with the protective style, I also washed throughout my hair. Like, so you see me raking the product through the rest of my hair instead of just my roots to make sure all of my hair is clean to the end, roots to end, scalp to end. And then I followed up with my Vanity Planet scalp massager. And for conditioner, I actually used the rest of this conditioner that came with my dye. When I dyed my hair black with the Clairol's Texture and Tones dye, I had some conditioner left over, so I just used that because I really like it. And then I'm going to also use my Rasul Clay Mix because, you know, that's my go-to. Please watch my 7 products that have changed my natural hair video because that is very informative on all the products that I use. And as you can see, I'm going to show you a little bit before and after of Restful Clay. I've shown you this in plenty of videos, and I'm going to show you again how this product is just very transformative. So what I did was I used the Restful Clay, massaged it in my scalp, raked it through each section of my hair, twisted it up. When I finished, I rinsed that out, and then I followed up with the conditioner from the hair dye box because it has a lot of great slip, and I just felt like it would be moisturizing to use. And yeah, so this is my hair finished and ready to move on to the next step. So what I did was, of course, I did my rice water treatment. Watch my rice water video, the before and the 1 month update. This is me using rice water and then following it up with a hair mask, and then I just, let that sit. So this is my hair once I rinsed all of the, conditioner and Restful Clay mix out. My hair is bomb. Like, I love, like, this is the best. Like, my hair is always the best right out of the shower, and it's made, wash days so much easier for me, just the products that I use. So please watch the video on what transformed my hair. But anyways, I'm coating my hair in the rice water, and then I'm following up with the restorative mask by Argan Oil One and Only, because I don't know, that was like the only conditioner I had, like deep conditioner I had left, but it really worked really good. Like, it had a lot of slip, and I feel like it was a good product to use after the rice water. So of course I did the rice water and the conditioner in each section of my hair, and then just let that sit for an hour. So this is just me getting through that. Okay guys, so I have just gotten out of rinsing my hair, rinsing the deep conditioner and the rice water out of my hair. Now I'm going to go ahead and start doing my Loc Method. But the only thing about when I prep my hair, I don't use any leave-in conditioners anymore, because when I blow dry, the hair begins to like gunk up, or like the product begins to gunk up with the blow dryer, and I don't like all of that dried up dirty product in my blow dryer, and I don't like it. I don't like the chemical reaction over the reaction it has on my hair. So I'm just going to skip leave-in conditioners and go straight in with just all natural products. So what I do is, obviously I'm going to moisturize my scalp with my Shea Butter scalp butter, and I have a video on that, guys. So I'm going to separate my hair into sections. I'm just going to do 4 sections and work with each section individually. So I'm gonna lightly spritz my hair with my aloe vera mix, just so it is manageable. And I'm able to like glide my fingers through without it being dry. Okay. Now I'm gonna go in with my scalp butter and just moisturize my scalp how you would as you grease a scalp. Now I'm gonna go in with this DIY hair growth oil that I made, and I'm trying this out for the first time, so I may have a recipe for you guys if I find that it works. All right, and now I'm just gonna go in with some oil to lubricate my hair and to seal in that aloe vera juice water mix moisture. I'm going to focus on the ends in particular because I want those to stay moisturized primarily in the leave-in. I mean, in the protective style. Okay, so now that I have done the liquid and the oil, I'm actually just gonna go straight in. Like I said, I'm not using a leave-in conditioner. So I'm gonna go straight in with my creamy shea butter and just literally lubricate, coat my hair in this creamy shea butter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna separate this section into two. And then once I have coated this section in shea butter, I'm gonna go in with my Revlon blow dryer. This is the truth. I'm gonna lightly detangle. Shea butter. And like this creamy shea butter still has like solid chunks of shea butter. I'm gonna remove those so that it doesn't gunk up in my hair. Oh, yes. Shea butter is also really good because it keeps your hair stretched with the weight that it adds to it. So I like it for that reason as well. Okay, I go straight on to high. I really don't want to spend too much time blow drying my hair. So I go straight on high. Also, shea butter has heat protectant properties, so my hair is not going to be like damaged from using high heat. So we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so we got some length here. This is where my hair is. And I'm just gonna put a little bit more of that shea butter on the ends of my hair. Work it up, and then move on to the next section. Okay, so the order is to moisturize my scalp with my scalp butter, follow up with my DIY growth oil, massage that also into my scalp to make sure that I get maximum hair growth during my protective style. And then I'm going to follow up with my aloe vera juice spray. And then I'm going to seal in that moisture with my DIY oil. And then I'm going to follow up with just creamy shea butter to keep my hair moisturized and to seal in all of that moisture. I'm not using any leave-in conditioner because it gunks up in my hair. And then I'm going to blow dry each section with my Revlon blow dryer. I forget what it's called, but the Revlon brush blow dryer, whatever. But prior to that, I'm going to lightly detangle with my easy detangler, and then I'm just going to blow dry each section and then follow up with a little bit more shea butter, and then my hair will be protected. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my head, and then I will be back. Okay guys, that is how I prep my hair for protective styles. All you need to remember is keep your hair detangled, keep your scalp moisturized, moisturize your hair with shea butter, and blow dry efficiently. Okay, so this is my hair. It is ready to be parted and styled. I'm also going to bring my tube of shea butter with me when I get my hair done to ensure that my hairstylist coats my hair, coats each section in shea butter to make sure that it is properly moisturized before going and braiding my hair. So thanks for tuning in, guys. I really hope you learned something. This is the final look. I feel my scalp tingling from the rice water, from the DIY growth oil, and from my scalp butter. So my hair is just in its ideal state of growth, and I'm so ready to protect my hair in these braids, and I can make sure that I won't endure any breakage during the wearing of the protective style. So go ahead and like this video if you like the content. Subscribe to my channel because I got more videos coming for you guys, and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload. And yeah, I hope to see you in the next video, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.